There's people inside? Get them
Inside
out of
this
there.
one.
They should get out now. That could explode. Yeah, the water heater probably exploded. That's what that was sound.
feel bad for the people and the neighbors, man. Right? The people here. Yeah. Fuck,
Do they know how it started?
Everyone was rushing. I was passing by.
Wow.
And like she was like, stop. Like I put on, I was fucking busy. So we went, and she went out to the door, and I got the people out from the house. The house was already on smoke.
Oh my god.
Oh, like you're the one who knocked. I helped them get out.
Take the whole credit. You know,
But as you say right now.
You stayed in the car. I'm over there trying to bang windows.
After they opened the door, dude.